So odd JPY today we can see on our daily time frame. But before you go, don't forget to subscribe. Just click on the subscribe button. It will take you much. Like and share. Now you can see our odd USD. That, by the way, we are actually waiting for a fall. By the way, we are actually waiting for a fall. Sooner or later we'll be getting a huge fall on our odd USD. But before that, there are two ways we can get a fall. We can actually get a fall around this our key area here where our price is at, probably failing to break above, or we can actually see a push up whereby our price will now break above. Let me mark it. Probably this area here where our price has, key level here, our price has reacted to. We can actually now see this, fall around this our key level here, where we can see our previous, resistance level. We can actually see our price pushes up and we now get our fall. Or probably you can actually now see get our fall around our key level here, which is here, which I just marked. We can actually now get our fall. So above all, be careful. We are actually planning to take a sell on our odd USD, because why? Our USD is going to make a bullish move, by the way. Even our USD index is showing us it will be going pushing up massively, and any pair related to it should actually be falling. So that is why I'm saying, if you want to take your trade on odd USD, do not take your buy. Do not take your buy. I will advise you, do not take your buy. We're actually waiting for a sell. And before you actually want to take our sell, we will be going to our 30-minute time frame. When we see multiple break of structure downward, probably price has broken below our area here. We see multiple break of structure here. We see breakdown, retracement, push down, retracement, push down, and it breaks below this. Then probably it will be a good time to actually not take our sell position. So right now our price is, still ranging. You can see our price giving us a directionless movement. So I mean, just try and stay away from this trade, because our trade does not showing a push up or a push down. It's just giving us a directionless movement. So best thing, stay away from this odd USD probably till, today or tomorrow, and let's see where our price reacts. And if possibly next week we might actually get that our fall we are looking for. So for this week we might be having a directionless movement. Same thing with our 1 hour time frame. You can see directionless movement. So the only news that will be coming out, as you can see now, we are see our Sydney and Tokyo section. London has net opened and New York. So the only news that might be coming out that might have a good effect on our trade is actually the USD. No major news that will be coming out on our odd. The only major news we'll be seeing is our USD, which will be coming out at our New York opening session, when our New York has opened. Because right where I am now, the New York session should open around 2, and we'll be having major news by 3 p.m. So you see ISM manufacturing, and we have the George job opening. So these are the news that can actually have an effect. So we determine if you actually now see that fall we are looking for on our odd USD. Above all, let's stay away from the trade until we see multiple break of structure downward, whereby we now have a break below this our area, this liquidity area here. Then it will be a good opportunity to take your sell position. So that is my analysis for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.